Today I'll show you how to post on CapCut. CapCut is mainly a video editing app, but after editing your video, you can export it and share it directly to platforms like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, or save it to your device first. First, open the CapCut app on your phone. Tap New Project. Now select the video clips or photos you want to use. Tap Add to bring them into the editing timeline. Next, edit your video. You can trim clips, add text, insert music, use effects, add captions, change the speed, or apply filters. When your video is ready, tap the Export button in the top right corner. Before exporting, choose the video quality. For most social media posts, 1080p is a good option. You can also choose the frame rate and resolution depending on your needs. Now tap Export and wait for CapCut to process the video. After the export finishes, CapCut will show sharing options. Choose the platform where you want to post, such as TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, or another app. CapCut will open that app and attach your exported video. Now write your caption, add hashtags, choose a cover image, and adjust any platform-specific settings. For example, on TikTok or Instagram Reels, you may want to add a short caption and relevant hashtags. Finally, tap Post, Share, or Publish, depending on the app. If you do not want to post immediately, save the video to your device and upload it later. And that's it. You now know how to post on CapCut. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.